Welcome to Consumer Pick. The best cell tower is probably one of the most essential pieces of infrastructure in our modern connected world, silently working to keep our smartphones, internet, and countless other devices online and functioning seamlessly, yet often overlooked by the average consumer until there's a problem, making it crucial to understand their significance and how they operate to maintain the digital backbone we all rely on daily. Number 5. TESSAN Tower Surge Protector 10 feet. This versatile power strip can charge up to 12 devices simultaneously. It easily expands one outlet into multiple AC and USB ports, keeping your space tidy. Manage your devices effortlessly with independent switches on top. This allows you to control power supply without constant plugging and unplugging. Its ultra-thin, flat plug design fits easily into tight spaces and hides behind furniture. The 45 degrees right angle plug ensures it sits flush against the wall without blocking other outlets. It offers optimized charging speeds with both USB-A and USB-C ports. These ports detect your devices and deliver the perfect amount of power for phones, tablets, and more. This power strip is equipped with comprehensive protection against overloads, short circuits, and overcurrents. It automatically shuts off to safeguard your valuable electronics, ensuring a safe charging environment. Ideal for any indoor setting, including your home, office, or dorm room. It provides a convenient and safe charging solution for all your electronic needs. What we like. This power strip offers an incredible 12 outlets and 4 USB ports, perfect for charging all your devices at once. Its individual switches give you great control over power usage. If you need to power and manage many devices simultaneously in a tight space, like behind your sofa or desk, this is the ideal choice. What people say. With this power strip, every outlet can be used. Since the product description and included documentation does not mention a joules rating for surge protection, I am assuming this unit does not provide surge protection, but it does automatically shut off if the wattage through it goes over 2,500 watts. I also love that this power strip includes 4 USB ports to charge tablets and my phone without having power cables running across my desk to plug them into USB charging devices. The 10-foot flat extension cord is a standout feature, offering generous reach while staying low profile enough to tuck behind furniture or run under rugs without creating bulk. It's ideal for tight spaces and keeps your setup clean and organized. Number 4. Rohn 25 Series 40-foot Basic Tower, 25G. Discover the Rohn 25 Series, a robust and reliable tower solution. It's designed for maximum sturdiness and dependability, ensuring a secure installation. Constructed with heavy-duty 1-to-1-4 OD, 16-gauge legs and 5/16 OD solid bracing, this tower is built to last. It features a hot-dipped galvanized finish for superior corrosion resistance. Experience unparalleled stability with its double-bolted joints, the proven best method for connecting tower sections. This ensures a strong and dependable structure. Each section comes complete with all necessary nuts and bolts, simplifying the assembly process. The kit includes 10-foot sections and a 9 feet 9 inches top section for a 40 nominal height. Built on an 11-1-4 equilateral triangle design, it offers exceptional stability. The top section features a tapered design with an integrated mounting pipe for added versatility. Please note that this tower kit ships via freight. Ensure your contact number is up to date on your order for smooth delivery. What we like. Built with robust double-bolted joints and galvanized steel, this tower is designed for maximum sturdiness and dependability. If you are looking for a reliable, medium-height tower for professional installations requiring a strong foundation, this is a solid option. What people say. All items pictured in the ad were received as expected. I found the bolts in the legs of the tower sections as indicated online. Tracking information was provided and updates were put into the system so that I could track shipping progress. The tower arrived in my city on the first day of the anticipated window provided by Amazon. It was delivered the next day to my house. I weighed each section and they are the weight advertised by Rohn, which seems to confirm the tower is a genuine Rohn tower. Awesome residential tower. No issues putting together. All bolts nuts present and accounted for. The thing is rock solid, no wobble at all. Number 3. Cell phone investigations, search warrants, cell sites, evidence recovery. Unlock the power of digital forensics. We specialize in cell phone investigations, providing crucial insights from mobile devices. Navigating the legal landscape is complex. We assist in obtaining and executing search warrants for digital evidence with precision and care. Understand location data like never before. Our analysis of cell site information can pinpoint movements and connections. Don't let crucial data disappear. We employ advanced techniques for the recovery of deleted or hidden digital evidence. Trust our expertise to uncover the truth hidden within mobile devices. We deliver reliable and actionable intelligence for your investigations. What we like. This resource provides in-depth insights into cell tower investigations, covering search warrants and evidence recovery. If you are a law enforcement professional or involved in digital forensics, this guide is essential for understanding the technical and legal aspects of cell site analysis. What people say. Aaron Edens created a comprehensive and pretty complete guide to investigations involving mobile devices. This book is a tremendous resource and should be required reading for any investigator, regardless of experience level. The chapter on cell towers and cell sites, Chapter 4, described, in detail, everything you need to know about chasing phones. Number 2. Rohn 25G Series 70-foot Basic Tower Kit. Discover the Rohn 25G Series 70-foot Basic Tower Kit, a robust solution for your tower needs. It's designed for exceptional sturdiness and dependability. Experience the strength of its double-bolted joints, the best method for joining tower sections. This ensures a secure and reliable structure. Built with 1-to-140D, 16-gauge legs and solid bracing, this tower is completely hot-dipped galvanized after fabrication. Its equilateral triangle design provides a stable foundation. Each section comes with all the necessary nuts and bolts for straightforward assembly. The top section features a tapered design with an integrated mounting pipe. Please note that this tower kit ships via freight only. Ensure your contact number is current on your order for smooth delivery. For optimal performance and safety, professional installation is required. Refer to the Rohn 25G guides for detailed specifications and installation requirements. What we like. Offering a substantial 70-foot height with a robust galvanized steel construction and dependable double-bolted joints, this tower is built for significant reach and longevity. If you require a tall, heavy-duty tower for applications like broadcasting or robust communication infrastructure, this kit provides the necessary scale and durability. What people say. It now has a Starlink dish on top, above all the trees I'm sitting under and a ham antenna at the 50-foot level, and I'm happy with the results. Got the job done. Number 1. Tower Climber American Flag Sticker Set. Celebrate your profession with this unique American flag sticker set. Designed for tower climbers, these decals are a great way to show your pride. Crafted from high-quality, scuff-resistant vinyl, these stickers are built to last. They are waterproof and designed for outdoor use, ensuring they withstand the elements. Featuring a beautiful matte finish, these stickers offer great image clarity and vibrant color pop. The cartoon American flag style adds a unique touch. These decals are printed on a 4x3-inch template, making them ideal for laptops, water bottles, or any gear you want to personalize. They are the perfect size to make a statement without being too large. With a removable adhesive, applying and repositioning these stickers is a breeze. They are designed for easy removability, lasting up to a year without leaving residue. These stickers are resistant to most mild acids, alkalis, and salt solutions. You can trust them to maintain their quality in various conditions. What we like. These stickers are made from high-quality, waterproof vinyl with a matte finish, ensuring they can withstand outdoor conditions. If you're looking to personalize your gear, like laptops or water bottles, with a durable and stylish American flag design, this set is a great pick. What people say. The product works great and is easy to use. The design is sleek and modern, and it fits perfectly in my space. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.